And what about, how do you feel about the transplant? Has it changed you in any way?
I don't know. I don't know that it's changed me in any way, but I suspect for most people, it would certainly give them a lot more confidence.
Today we're going to present Eric. He's 48 years old and had a strip transplant with us in 2017, and more recently an FUE 2500 graft transplant in 2022. When he first came to see us, he had Norwood 4 pattern balding, certainly with a hair loss in the interior portion of the scalp, going towards the center, as well as bitemporal hair loss. And today we had the opportunity of seeing him in follow-up, and you can see what it looks like. This is the front. The hairline is quite natural. It's high density. Eric, can you turn this one? Okay, that's it. Turn down, please. Look at the camera. You can see this is transplanted hair and this is his natural hair. It's a very nice transition. And let's look at the back, please. And this is the back. He has got absolutely fantastic donor area with a strip and a FUE, and you can see that really there's no evidence of that you could tell that there's a FUE or a strip performed. If you face the camera, please. So what do you think of the whole procedures?
Very happy with it. Yes, the first one was the recovery was a little longer than the second one that you were bang on. The second one was the recovery with the different technique.
The FUE was a lot faster.
Oh,
right?
super fast.
And the strip was a bit longer, yeah.
Yes, yes. And as far as pain goes, the strip recovery was, quite a bit more painful, and there was no real pain after. I didn't take any painkillers after the first day, so it was for the second procedure. Yeah, the first one I had to for probably 4 days or 5 days, but yeah, after the first day, I did not have to take anything at all. It was really, really good. Yeah.
And what about, how do you feel about the transplant? Has it changed you in any way?
I don't know. I don't know that it's changed me in any way, but I suspect for most people, it would certainly give them a lot more confidence. For myself, it was just basically I just wanted to have my hair back, and you've given me that, so it's very, very gratifying.
And what advice would you have to somebody who's looking around for hair transplants?
Well, I would certainly come here. I came here twice, so I would certainly recommend coming here. And they're really nice people too. For what you're going through, everyone's really nice, and it was kind of fun talking to everyone throughout the whole experience. You're here for a long time, so it's good to have good people around you.